Sister Step schon abgeschoren und schon zu neuf genommen. Liebster meiner, komm zuvor, ich verwalten auf dein Kommen. Liebster meiner, komm zuvor, ich verwalten auf dein Kommen. Die an Busen seinen zeitig, sie ist wie Saft und sehr Liebe, voll mit Süßkeit und gegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe, voll mit Süßkeit und gegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe. Und die Karschen liebste meine, seine Spaß mit deine Augen, umgegossen auf die Beine und die Zweigen sich versträuben, umgegossen auf die Beine und die Zweigen sich versträuben.
Just let me see. No, I cannot fix it. Okay. Okay. Mariv, can you start reading, please?
So step showing abgeschoren. The step has already been harvested, also known as the Arvidsson, the watermelon. Maurice heard the penny whistler sing this song about 1970. The words are by Mendel Abarbanel, 1888 to 1957. Abarbanel was from Belarus, and he lived in Vitebsk, Moscow, and Kiev. He wrote poems and Soviet propaganda. During World War II, he lived in Uzbekistan. The music is by Benyomin, 1901 to 1970, a Jewish-American composer of songs for the Yiddish theater and also children's songs.
Okay, go on.
Jane Pepler performed at the International Association of Yiddish Clubs some years ago, and she was terrific. She is a singer, musicologist, and has published dozens of songs that she discovered from the 1920s and 1930s. Here she sings this version with her group Mapamundi. The melody is based on a Russian folk song.
Your call forwarded to voicemail.
Other versions on YouTube emphasize the Russian choral style.
Okay. Thank you. Elaine, would you start?
Sure. Siz der Step showing vorgescheuren und schon als zu neu genommen.
So there is a typo. It's abgescheuren. The P and the Aleph change places.
Say that again.
It should
not
be up. Abgescheuert.
Okay, that
Abgescheuert.
makes more sense. Oh
Right.
no, you know what? In whatever you sent here, it's on my paper, it's abgeschoren.
Yeah,
Right, it
but
should be
when
abgescheuert.
Michael put it, he just
Okay, I got
changed
it.
it.
Okay. So the steppe, steppe, the steppe has already been harvested and already everything has been gathered.
The steppe,
The
the steppe.
steppe, is that how you pronounce it?
Not in
Well,
English.
it depends.
In English,
I don't know. That's how
oh,
you
in
pronounce it.
English, it's the steppe. That's why
Right.
Okay.
In Russian, it's step. Ach, the
Yeah.
step.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
In
Yeah.
California,
That's
it's
why I
step.
spelled it, as
Step.
Sure.
Okay.
Also in New Jersey. Step.
Okay. Liebster meiner, komm zuvor. My beloved, come by train, come. Travel, come
Yeah.
zuvor
Come
by
to fore.
train,
Right. Probably by
by vehicle,
horse
by
wagon or something.
not walk, by not
Right.
walking.
Right.
By foot.
Okay. Ich will warten auf dein Kommen. I will wait for your arrival. And then that repeats. Liebster meiner, komm zuvor. Ich will warten auf dein Kommen.
Good.
Same.
Okay. Any comment on this? Yes, Susan.
Yes. I remember my mother talking about this phrase, kommen zu foreign. It meant visit. You coming, but you're not going to stay. You're going to visit. So it means it's a visit and not
Correct.
a permanent
Oh.
change.
Are you sure your guests understood that?
Exactly. That's how we say it too.
I think the intention was permanent. It felt like it was a permanent intention.
I never heard that.
Okay, yes, Feigl.
Oh, I like that. It means like come in order to go. Come zuvor.
But don't say so.
Marsha, yes.
Okay, Cookie, I think in this case, she wants him to come permanently.
What do they say? Guess fish stink after 3 days.
Okay,
This is a very, romantic.
Exactly.
Okay, let's continue. Ralph, please, can you continue, Ralph?
Der Busen seine Zeitig sket die Saft von sei Rüber, voll mit Süßkeit ungegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe, voll mit Süßkeit ungegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe.
Good.
The watermelon are timely, or I guess it's their time for ripeness.
Yeah, they're ready.
And there's the juice is ready, or a Reber is over already.
Overflowing. Yeah, it's overflowing.
Okay.
Right.
Full mit Süßkeit, full with sweetness, pouring. Just like my heart is full with love.
Good.
Full, and it repeats itself. Full with Süßkeit, full with sweetness is flowing, just like my heart is full with love.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. Yeah. Any comments? I see Feigl. Yes, Feigl.
I don't entirely understand the get. Es get sich Saft von sein Ariber. Is that part of a river get?
It's going.
The juice is going. It's flowing.
Oh, it's like gain. It's the past participle of gain.
Gain. It's good to go. Es geht. Die Saft geht. Es geht die Saft.
Okay.
Isn't Ungegießen overflowing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
A Reber is also it's a different usage of the same idea.
Well, gain arriba means overflowing, and ungegossen, it's pouring out. The sweetness is just pouring out.
Got it. Thank you.
Sure.
Any more questions? Okay, Sol, can you read, Sol?
So at the top of the page here, right?
Yes, yes.
In the Kalschen liebste meine, seinen schwarz vidane Augen. And the cherries, my love, are as black as your eyes, or as dark as your eyes. Angegossen auf die Bäume. I'm not sure what angegossen means. Poured on the trees?
They're
Pouring down.
they're hanging down. There's so
They're
many of them
flowing.
that they're hanging down from the trees.
Oh, okay. So they're
Full,
overflowing.
full mit Saft.
Oh,
Could it,
full.
could it be plump?
Yeah,
Plump
plump.
on the
Well,
trees?
Full mit Saft.
I mean, it's not the size of the cherries. It's just that there are so many of them that they're bending the branches down.
So they're
It's kind
full
of the image of it being poured over.
Right.
There's so many that
Juicy.
they're being poured
Right.
over the
They're
tree.
pouring down from the tree. Right.
And die Zweigen sind, let's see, Beugen. And the branches, sich, Beugen.
So Aj means it's so far. They're so heavily loaded that they're going so far as to bending down from the cherries.
Oh ja. So eingegossen auf die Bäume, in die Zweigen sich beugen. So angegossen auf the, by the selected poured on the trees,
Right.
overflow, and then in the Zweigen, the branches are so full they're bending over.
Right. Exactly.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Rochelle.
Can you translate Aj as actually?
Aj is
As
it's
That
so
they're
far.
actually bending?
As is as though.
It's not actually, but it means that it's going to an extreme, that they're bending, that it's the weight of the cherries is such.
I understand what it means. I'm just wondering how to translate it.
Extremely bowed and extremely.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Could
that's
it be?
fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
All right.
okay.
Rafael, please.
Yeah, the word Aj also has the connotation of with surprise. So surprisingly, marvelously.
Oh, I thought it was as though.
No, that would be Azoy.
Oh.
Okay, so thank you. Let's continue. Marsha, yes, Marsha.
Okay, let's see. Komm zuvor, liebste meine, und genug schon uns zu träumen.
Yeah, there is another typo here.
To träumen or träumen?
Träumen is a dream.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah,
träumen.
it's to
Right, it's a typo.
Yeah, it's a typo.
Should be träumen.
Träumen, yeah.
Okay. Come to see me, travel to me, and it's enough. We should stop dreaming, or whatever. Ruf, reif und zeitig ist mein Liebe, wie es ist zeitig meine Fläumen. Reif is ripe and timely is my love, and and it's timely. The Fläumen will, the plums will get overripe. Reif und zeitig ist mein Liebe, wie es ist zeitig meine Fläumen.
Right, so the V it's a comparison. Her love is ripe and ready, just as her plums, the plums on the tree. are ripe and ready. V is just as.
Just
Just like the plums on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, innuendo is right.
It's back on.
Liebst der meiner kommt zuvor, ich verwarten auf dein Kommen. Liebst der meiner kommt zuvor, ich verwarten auf dein Kommen. Die an Busen seinen zeitig, siehst wie Sonne und sehr Liebe. Voll mit Süßkeit umgegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe. Voll mit Süßkeit umgegossen, wie mein Herz ist voll mit Liebe. Und die Karschen liebst der meine, seine Spaß mit deine Augen, angegossen auf die Beine und die Zweigen sich verspeugen, angegossen auf die Beine und die Zweigen sich verspeugen. Komm zuvor, liebster meine, und genoss dein unser Träumen. Reif und seitig ist mein Liebe, wie sie seitig meine Träume. Reif und seitig ist mein Liebe, wie sie seitig meine Träume.
Okay. Yes, Bob.
I would say also the hormones were overflowing.
That's
But-
good.
But
Well, we can't get anything past you, Bob.
it's really it's a really
Oh
a
my
sweet
God.
song, and the rendition, it's just so delightful. You can't help but feel young and happy and see why they're going to be prancing in the fields, you know.
That's right.
Open fields.
Yeah, in
Well, I
the
saw-
kolkhoz on a tractor.
Right.
Yeah,
I
it's
saw
great.
I saw the group the Penny Whistlers singing this song in Greenwich Village 50 years ago. That's where I first heard about it.
Did they sing it in Yiddish?
50 years ago.
Yeah,
It
did
was
they
in
sing it in
1970,
Yiddish?
1980.
Yes, in Yiddish.
In Yiddish.
Yiddish.
Oh, okay.
Penny Whistlers.
Because I know Pete Seeger sang some of his songs in Yiddish.
Right. Oh, I just wanted to say about the kommen zuvor. It can just mean to come riding. Some of you may remember some years ago, we listened to the song Schniere le Perle,
Yeah.
Schniere le Perle, which imagines the coming of the Messiah, Mashiach. And wird kommen zuvor, if he comes riding, werden sein gute Jahren, will have good years. Wird kommen zu gehen, if he's coming on foot, it's a prophecy for each of those things. But fahren, in the case of the Messiah, it simply means he comes riding. I don't know if it's by airplane or by jet, but probably they're thinking of a coach and horses, a wagon and horses.
Okay. Steve, you wanted to say something?
Oh, just that she's a wonderful singer, and we've heard stuff by her before. And one of them, and I can't remember the title of it, also involved fruit and a baby. She get to me at an apple, and the next thing you know, he's throwing out the stinky diapers from the house. Oy vey, mama, du verstehen. What would you remember that song? What the name of it was?
I don't
Morris?
remember it. No.
No, I have to go find out.
Okay, Marsha, you also raised your hand.
Yeah, it just brought to mind this operatic song. Anna Tropsky, she sings, Seine Lippen, sie kussen, sie heiß. It's in in Deutsch, but it's reminded me of this. It's
Yes,
cute.
sure.
Okay. So, any more comments on the song? Okay. If not, Henrietta. Henrietta wanted to say a few words. So, Henrietta, please.
All right. I belong to the Beth Israel Book Club, and we are going to be presenting Aaron Lansky's Outwitting History at our next meeting, and I have been asked to present this. And I just wanted to remind our members that we are also part of the National Yiddish Book Club Center, and that Minna gets the majority of what we read from the book center. And isn't that a wonderful thing that we have?
Yes, it is.
Sure.
Yes, and I'm and Janet Frost and I are working on sending everyone the link to hear Henrietta give the book review. I think it's January 14th, right, Janet? So I'll send everyone the link as soon as I get it.
No
And you-
pressure.
Oh, thank God I don't have to travel to Houston.
Houstonians are welcome to come.
You're welcome to come, but you can also do it online. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
I thought I was doing a small presentation.
Oh, wait. No way, Jose.
Well, you opened it up, Henrietta.
Literally.
Anyway, Henrietta had a great 103rd birthday party on Sunday.
Oh my God.
Bravo.
Kanahara.
I know. Yeah. Henrietta, you wanted to say something else before we move on?
No, I'm finished.
No. Okay, so thank you. Thank you. And look for, Henrietta's talk on when Beverly and Janet will send it to us. So let's move to the story. And as you know, is it big enough?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
What page?
Page 129, second paragraph. Erot.
Okay.
Erot. So we are talking about the blacksmith that really doesn't like his wife because he's thinking of killing her. And he's riding in a coach with someone and he's telling him the story after he got out of prison, and he tells it to him slowly, and the story goes back and forth. He's telling it to the other person in the coach, and then it goes to what actually happened. And until now,
Can I write it as a message?
Okay, just a moment. Until now, he only thought about getting rid of his wife. It's strange that he never thought about a get, about divorcing her, so And now we are getting to the tachlis of how he did it. So, hat sich eingerät. Okay, Karen, please, if you can.
Hat sich eingerät in a heat. He spoke, it has different, he spoke raving, perhaps. He was very hot under the collar. Und hat angehalten zu beißen in Brot rein. He began to bite into his bread, aber nicht loschen essen, but not to, not for the sake of eating. Ich habe viele nicht angeriert das, was is gelegen von mir. I didn't even touch what was in front of me. Die Hor seinen rausgekommen von dem Himmel und Tropfens Schweiß seinen gerunden von Sternen. His hair was sticking out from his little hat, and drops of sweat were dripping from his forehead. Auf der Emerson wollt ich mehr nicht gewollt. Soll mir weiter erzählen. To be truthful, I didn't want him to, that he should continue to tell me any further.
Can you turn the light off? I don't need it.
As men steht veratochum, dreht men sich weg und men macht zu die Augen. If a person is standing in front of an abyss, you turn away and you close your eyes. Hat sich abgewischt mitten Abel dem Stern. He wiped his forehead with his sleeve, hat zurück niedergelegt das abgebissener Beutel, and he returned. He went back to. He set down his partially bitten bread, or I'm not sure, his bread that he was eating, und hat wieder angehäuben and began again.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So here is, we have the scene where he's talking with the other person in the coach. So now he's going.
I thought it was in the restaurant where in the tavern where
but in the kneipe, in the pub or restaurant. So they are talking, and now he's going to tell him what actually happened. Okay, so Michael Fissman, please.
As ihr weiß schon dem Onheib, if you already know the beginning of the story, sollt ihr schon wissen den Sof. You might as well know the end. Der Sof ist gekommen als euch. The end came so quickly. Ich hab sich gar nicht gericht auf dem. I really wasn't prepared for it. Wie a tutsche Regen fällt plötzlich mal rob von dem Himmel, like a cloud of rain suddenly comes down from heaven. Einmal stehe ich auf in der Früh. Once I got up in the morning, und sie ist mir gewesen, schudne auf dem Herzen, and I felt peculiar, strange, modne auf dem Herzen. Sof Sommer ist es gewesen, it was the end of summer. Draußen ist gewesen, kill winterlich. Outside, it was wintry cool. Ich nehm mein Sack und gehe in Kushner. I take my sack and go to the smithy. Ich bin schon gewesen, nicht weit von dorten. I wasn't far from there. Hab ich mich ermahnt. I reminded myself, als ich hab vergessen dem Schlüssel, that I have forgotten the key. Ich gehe zurück, I go back. Bin ich gekommen nach Hause, so I came home. Hab ich mich niedergesetzt auf dem Tapchan vertracht, and I sat down on the wooden seat, thinking, or caught up in my thoughts. Okerst heintiger Tag is etwas Maschuna. just today, there's something strange, different. As ich hab gar kein Cheshek nicht to der Arbeit, that I really have no desire, no drive to go to work. Von deswegen hebe ich mich auf und gehe wieder in Krishna. Nevertheless, I get up and again go to the smithy. Aber der Kopf ist nicht bei der Arbeit, but I'm not thinking of my work. My head isn't in it. Der Hammer fällt mir raus von Hand. The hammer falls from my hand. Wie soll ich hab gekrogen dem Song? How I got the poison, weiß ich nicht at hayom. To this day, I don't know how I got hold of the poison. Ich habe ihn gehalten in Keshner neben dem Titun. I had it in my pocket next to my tobacco. Can I just mention that the sum is hinted at in last week when they said Samach Mem. The topic of the story is sum, poison, both physical and relationship poison. Anyway, the tobacco. As ich wollte verbieten, if I would have changed their places und das genommen in Mäuel rein and taken it into my mouth, wollte ich allein gekonnt. I also could have gone, I could also have said the prayer when you're dying. Und Tomer wollte das gewesen besser für mir. And perhaps that would have been better for me. Ich glaube nicht, I don't believe, als ich trug in mir der mordigen Gedanke, I don't think that I carry that scary, frightful, frightening thought, wollte demalt Amateur reingekommen zu mir, wollte ich bald ausgeschrieben. If someone would at that time have come into me, I would have shouted, Ratavet mich von mir allein, save me from myself. Carry on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Michael. But I wanted to ask if everything is okay, if everything is understood.
No, no, it's not. I'm not sure what's happening here. He comes back home.
Okay, Michael, can you just do it, in English, just summarize it.
He comes home and he's feeling odd that day, and he feels in his pocket, and in his pocket he has poison, and then the poison is next to his tobacco, and perhaps it would have been better had something happened to distract him, because he had the terrible thought, which was obviously to poison his wife.
Okay. So, is it clear now?
And it would have been so nice if someone would have come in and he could have said, "Save me from myself."
But how did he get the poison? Does it say how he got?
No,
doesn't say.
Okay.
He says that he doesn't know how it came to him.
Yeah, that sounds very suspicious.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe his wife put it there.
Okay. Michael Moore, can you continue?
I can. Where did we leave off?
Setz mich.
Okay. Setze mich ein und bind mir die Hand, warum ich bin a Gazlan. Ich will umbringen a Menschen. So he set me down. Is that right?
The
I think he's still
translation-
saying he wished somebody would.
Yeah, bind my hand.
I think that setz mich ein is to put someone in prison. In prison.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
The translation is tie me to a chair.
Okay. That's an easy
it's not literal,
Yeah,
but that
right.
helps
It's
us.
not literal.
Okay, the foil, maybe you can.
Yeah, you're right. Einsetzen is to imprison. So
Prison.
he's asking if anyone would have come in. I would have said, "Save me from myself. Imprison me."
Okay, and bind my hands. Voor mich bin as oh, I forgot what Goslin.
Crook.
Thief.
Oh, okay. So
But
because
it's more than a thief. A gazlan is more than a thief.
It can
it's
mean
like
violent person.
A violent person.
like a robber, like a robber,
Robber.
right? Okay. So because I'm a robber, I would like to, or I umbringen.
Kill.
Boy, I'm having a hard.
Kill.
To kill.
Oh, okay. Because as I'm a robber, I would kill, or I want to kill a person.
I want to kill a person. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Aber keiner is nicht gekommen, so nobody came. However, nobody came. Und dem Tag muss ich via Gezra essen in der Heim. So
Zeire.
a Gezera. Oh yeah, yeah. And so on that day, on this day, I forget what a Gezera is.
Like a decree?
Yeah.
Yes,
But yeah.
a decree.
Decree.
Okay, so on this day or that day, I like as a decree, I must eat at home. Sie sagt zu mir, Esche, was isst du nicht? She said to me, eat. Why aren't you eating? Ich schweig. Ich wünsch mir dem Teut. So I kind of respond.
No, ich schweige, I'm quiet.
Okay. I'm quiet because I really just would like to die. Halavai wollte ich verschlungen a Bein und mich der Worden auf der
That's it.
auf der Stelle. Oi, okay. Halavai wollte ich what is verschlungen?
To swallow.
Swallow.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. So I would want to throw a bone.
No, to
No,
swallow.
it's
I
if
wish I
only
swallowed the
I would
bone.
swallow.
Oh, swallow. I thought I heard throw.
No,
Okay. Okay. If I would just swallow a bone and
Choke.
and choke on the stel.
At once, right away.
Okay.
Right away. So just a moment, Michael. I see Refoil raised his hand. So yes, Refoil.
Yeah, the expression "was isst du nicht" is not "why are you not eating." It's more like English, "Oh, why don't you have something to eat?" In English, we say, "Why don't you have something to eat?" as an invitation. It's not a complaint.
Okay.
And you see this all the time, and it always looks very strange because it looks like someone's complaining that you're not eating. But that's not at all what's happening. It's just a polite way of saying, "Have something to eat."
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
So he's quiet and you wish that he would swallow a bone and choke on the spot. Just another sentence.
Da ist sie reingegangen in Kirch noch Teller. So after that, she went back into the kitchen and got another plate.
Okay. So Refoil, why is it herausgegangen and not reingegangen?
Because she was serving him in the dining room, and then she went back into the kitchen. She went out from the dining room into the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the direction.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the direction. Okay, because usually if you go somewhere, it's a Rheingang. Okay,
That's
so
true.
that's
But here she's going away from where he is.
from where he is. Okay, okay, got it. Thank you. Steve?
Yeah, Raphael, can I ask you a quick question about that locution, please?
Yeah.
It says a Royce in, which makes sense to me, but I also read a lot a Rhein in,
Yeah, well, that's
a Rheingayen in.
Sure.
You know, so that's like going
was-
in the in rather out and then in, which makes more sense to me.
But okay. In does not mean in.
Okay.
In means toward.
Okay.
And arriving at. And so she went out toward and arriving at the kitchen.
Right. Well, that makes perfect sense to me.
So yeah, Orion would work too.
Okay.
But here it's specifically that she's no longer in the same room that he's in.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, Rochelle?
The word Gazlonim, also translate from the Pirates of Penzance. That was
Sure.
Yeah.
translated to Yiddish.
Yam Gazlonen.
Pirate.
Yam Gazlonen.
Yeah.
Yam Gazlonen. Yiddische Piraten.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a show in Israel once. It was called Yiddische Piraten.
Yeah, it was at the Volksbühne many years ago, I believe.
Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Ich hab mich ausgeschwind. Susan, please.
Where is it? I lost my.
Yeah, I'll mark it.
Oh, ich hab mich aufgeschwind. I get up very quickly und tue rein dem Sam in ihr Teller, and I stick the poison in her plate. S'is mir geworden finster in die Augen. Everything blacked out for me. Everything looked bad. Ich seh nicht die Welt vor mir. I can't see the world in front of me. Sie guckte rein. Sie kommt rein in Stub. She comes back in the house. Nein, ess nicht die Soup. No, don't eat the soup. Hab ich ihr gewollt schreien. I wanted to yell to her. Ich hab dacht sich geschrien so hoch. And it seems that I yelled so loud as Täuber wollte es gekonnt hören, so loud that even a deaf person could have heard me. Ich hab gewollt ihr zuhalten beim Hand. I really wanted to hold her by her hand, als sie hat reingelegt dem Löffel in Teller rein when she went to put her spoon into the plate. Ich hab gehabt nur dem einem Ryan Azoy tun.
How do you pronounce it in Yiddish? Rayon is in Hebrew. It's an idea.
And what does it mean exactly?
An idea.
Oh, I had the idea to do that. As sie esst aber und hört mich nicht, but she's eating and she's not listening to me. Ich sitz wie a Stein. I sit there like a stone. Und kann mich nicht rühren and I can't move myself. Etwas bitter sucht sie zu mir. Something is very bitter, she says to me. Gib her die Salz. Give me some salt.
Okay, Susan, just a moment. Yes, Raphael. How do you pronounce Rayon in Yiddish?
Well, the general idea is you move the accent one a syllable earlier, so it becomes Ryan, and the own at the end you just reduce that to an so Ryan.
Ryan. Okay. Okay.
Where's the cursor?
Just a minute. Yeah, here. Die Salz. Okay. Yachne.
Yachne. Gossip. Hab ich gewollt euch schreien. I wanted
No, I
to
think
yell out.
Yachne is her name. Maybe
What is Yachne? That's her name?
No.
I think it's her name, no?
Yeah.
No, it means a
They
stupid
translated
woman.
as you stupid twit.
Oh,
You stupid twit.
Yachne is another word for yenta. It's an
He's saying, why don't you get it, woman? I'm poisoning you. Why don't you get what's going on?
Stupid woman. Hab ich gewollt euch schreien. I wanted to scream out. Ich bin A Rotzeach, I'm a killer. Ich will dich versammeln, I want to poison you. Ich sag dir, es nicht weiter. I'm saying to you, don't eat anymore. Ich weiß nicht, was ist gewesen. Mir ist alles vergliedert. I don't know what happened. Everything
Froze.
vergliedert.
Froze.
Oh, everything, yes, everything turned cold. Everything froze up. Es hilft etwas in meine Augen, and something is lighting in my eyes.
No, euren, ears.
What is it?
Ears.
Ears. Oh, okay. In meine Ohren, not Augen. Als sie wollt dus ausgebrochen, if she would have called us out, trach ich bei
Vomit.
mir.
If she would vomit.
Ois.
If she would vomit.
Ausgebrochen.
If she would vomit the poison.
Yeah.
Then it won't work.
Trach ich bei mir. I'm thinking to myself, wollt dus kein Schum Tolle nicht gehabt. It wouldn't have worked out. And I have to answer this phone call.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so
this is all going on in his head. He doesn't actually say any of this, right?
He's vergliedert.
Yeah, he
he's
doesn't
frozen,
do
just thinking it.
anything. He just, he's sitting there frozen. Okay, Barbara.
I'm looking for the Yiddish words that say I need to answer the phone. I can't find it.
Okay. Barbara.
Okay, I'll try. Sie muss das euch speien. She gotta excrete this stuff. Tomer trifft sich ein Nest und es kommt zurück raus von ihrem Magen. And there should be, some kind of a miracle, and it come out from her stomach. Come out of her stomach. Is that all right?
The descriptions here are, very
Fabulous.
realistic.
Fabulous.
Okay.
Good.
Sie grinst sich verweitet. She really cringing from pain. Okay. Wait a minute, I lost my place. I'm so sorry. Okay. Bläulich ist sie geworden. In a ganzen Punim, and she's turning blue in all of her face. Official. Sie dreht sich mir der Kopf. Official, and she turns her head to me.
No, I'm dizzy.
No.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
I'm
Okay.
dizzy.
She dreht sich mir der Kopf. She's saying I'm dizzy? Okay.
Yes.
I'm
okay,
dizzy.
thank you. Give me a trunk. So give me something to drink.
Yes.
Sie hält sich zu beim Vinkl, and she is reaching out to a seat to be able to sit.
Gripping the edge of it.
Yeah.
She's holding on to the chair.
Okay, so she's gripping the edge of a chair. Nimm die Soup und gieß euch in Seber. Now, I didn't take the soup and pour it out in the zebra. What's a zebra?
Sink.
Oh, okay. In a sink. All right. I didn't realize that. Okay. Kommt mir plötzlich auf Gewinn ganz.
No, auf der.
No, I skipped. Kommt mir plötzlich auf der. Okay, what is this?
Machsheva.
So I come suddenly to, and I'm not getting this, to the.
Okay, Rafael raised his hand, so.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah,
Rafael.
going back to Nem, that's imperative, what he's telling himself. Take the soup, pour it out into the basin. Comes to me suddenly into my thought. Machshava.
Machshava. Okay. Thank you. And basin makes a lot more sense than sink, considering their background. Okay, thank you. All right. Als hab der longt kwarte Wasser, and I reach out to her or try to serve her a container of water, whatever the is sie given ganz blue. Now she's totally blue. Fischl, du hast mir etwas reingetan. You know, Fischl, I think you're doing me in. Sie fällt auf ein Bett und warft sich. And she falls onto the bed. And then warft sich.
Convulsions.
Ah, thank you. And convulses. Der boy, my stomach, oi, der boy, the stomach, uh, in in the veinic is again the pain.
Inside.
No, in panic, inside.
Inside. Dem voucher, dem voucher. I need a is that a bottle of water?
A doctor.
No.
It's
like, you know,
that is again right. You said the lowest rung on the medical ladder. Okay, a voucher. Okay. Dem voucher. I rate wer dein Wein. Okay, save your wife. Zog ich zu mir. I tell myself. Leg ihr rein a finger in moil rein and stick your finger in her mouth and kadei sich soll das ausbringen so that she can vomit. Sie verliert auf zu
Zunächst.
Das Lotion. She's not able to express herself or to talk.
She cannot talk anymore.
She can't talk. So, what is the word?
That's zunächst. Okay, so Raphael, please. Zunächst.
Yeah, it's Sue Dem Emerson, but it contracts there. It's an Emerson. So Tsu Dem, sometimes you'll hear tsun instead of tsum, especially in the southern dialect if the next word begins with a vowel. So instead of tsum Emerson, it's tsun Emerson. Tsu Dem Emerson, in truth.
In truth. Okay. Thank you. Ich habe aufgerissen the Tür und schreien. I tear open the door and I scream. Mein Weib, Cholisht, she's dying. Von alle Seiten.
Cholisht is not dying.
Fainting or passing out and going unconscious?
Passing out, yeah.
Okay. Von alle Seiten seinen gekommen schreien. And from everywhere comes the neighbors. Men hat sie ungeheuben Reben beim Stehren und zieren bei die Hand. And they begin to, rub her forehead and pull her hands. Bloy is sie.
Vein. Barbara, you froze.
Oh dear.
She froze.
Yeah, she's not moving.
Sie ist euch geklippert.
So bleach was what they used. Is that the correct word?
Barbara, you froze. Bloy is sie gewesen.
Oh, I froze. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we didn't hear you.
Bloy is sie gewesen wie Zinke. And she's as blue as what?
The laundry, you know, when the blue laundry. I don't know if you remember your mother's pudding,
Yes.
so it will be really stiff, like, you know, the
starch.
For
Starch. That's starch.
The starch. That's
the laundry starch. Yes.
Okay.
Raphael?
Yeah, I don't think it's starch. It's bluing, which was a coloring agent, I guess, to make the yellow look, I don't know.
Whiter.
Yes, that's right. It was a whitener.
A whitener called bluing.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, I remember it now.
But I remember my mother using this blue thing in order to make it to make the starch, to make it stiff. It was also blue.
Yes.
remember?
Yes, that was also blue. Yes,
It was
both of them
also
were
blue.
blue. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think but one the powder, the bluing, the powder was we didn't use bleach. That's what you use to whiten stuff.
Yeah, to whiten. So this,
That's
so
right. I get
so
that.
if it's blue, it didn't paint it blue. It didn't paint it blue.
No, I think just the point here is that she turned blue.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Raphael.
According to Wikipedia, laundry bluing is a handy product that adds blue tint to fabrics, making white clothes look brighter and darkening blue jeans, counteracting the yellowing that happens during washing.
Okay. Okay. Now we know.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we know.
That's when
Okay.
you had natural fabrics too, natural things.
Yeah, but also fabric changed since then.
That's right.
We have more plastics and they don't get yellow so quickly. So, okay, Beverly, Herschel.
Herschel Nuz. I was wondering, what does that mean?
I think it's
That's
his
his name.
nickname. It's a nickname, I think.
Oh, Herschel Nuz hat geschrieben, men soll ihr lassen an Oder. So Herschel probably had a long nose. He was yelling that they should leave her alone, or I don't know what an Oder
I
means.
think lozen and order is to let blood. That I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh,
what do you think, people?
Yeah.
He's letting blood.
Yeah, that's a translation. We've got a bleeder.
A bleeder, I think, because
Yeah.
An
they
artery
didn't.
is an artery, isn't it?
Right.
Yes.
And
They
Mr.
didn't know
Felcher, he
any.
probably knows how to let blood.
They didn't know any better, so
No.
for
Right.
everything they let.
When
We
in
don't know any
doubt.
better either.
When in doubt. When
Right.
in
But they
doubt.
killed her. They
let some
probably killed
blood.
her anyway. Steich, was is ear? And anyway, what is the matter with her? Kommt daher, come here. Reiß dir auf das Kafto. I guess take off her clothes. What's a
Shirt?
kafto?
Shirt.
What?
A shirt.
Oh, her shirt. Yeah, tear off her shirt. As sie starbt, if she's dying, Gericht without reason. Aza umglit. Oh, what a terrible tragedy. Noch heint in der Früh hat man sie gesehen gehen in yet. I think they're saying things about her. Just in the morning, we just saw her going to the what is Yatka, the market?
A store.
Butcher. No, it's a butcher.
The butcher.
To the butcher. 42 years. She was 42 years old. I think that's what the community was saying.
Yeah.
Nach dem Tag hat man sie makaver given. Just after that day, what is makaver? She died?
They buried her.
They don't wait. Gewusst hat keiner nicht. Nobody knew was is geschehen, what really happened. Hush auf mein Punim is nit given ungeschrieben kein Guts. Because on my face, there was nothing good on my face. It was written on my face.
Although
nothing good was written on my face, which is good. Wait, where am I? Und as is gekommen vor Nacht, and when it came nighttime, habe ich mir niedergeworfen auf der Heiler Erd. Oh, I threw myself on her. How would you say grave on the street
On the ground.
on the ground. But what's Heiler?
Right on the ground.
Bare or naked ground.
Bare ground und hab ungeheben zu weinen, and I started to cry.
Okay, thank you.
Nina,
Yes.
Can we go over that second sentence? Because it was really confusing when we were trying to read it before. She was buried the same day. Then nobody knew for sure. Can you do that sentence more clearly?
Nobody knew what happened. Nobody knew.
Yeah.
Only he knew.
Gewusst hat keiner nicht. No one knew what is geschehen, what happened.
Okay, that's clear. Then the next part.
No, even on his face, there was no. It didn't
See,
say.
because it's translated, but my face was an open book. How did they get that out of it?
The culture, I mean, although
The opposite. Where am I? Hutch auf mein Punim is nit given ungeschrieben kein gut. On his face, there was nothing written showing good, I think.
It's strange. The translation is strange.
Yeah.
Is wrong.
It's wrong.
The
Yeah.
Okay,
translation
I mean, that could be. I'm just trying to
Oh,
make
yeah.
sense of it, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Well,
thank
maybe
you.
it means he didn't show any emotion that
Right.
would match the situation.
Yeah.
But
Maybe.
what does the translation say?
nobody knew, although it was written all over my face, maybe.
Oh, no, it's the opposite.
Oh,
To me,
Yeah, that's how it's translated, but they're saying no, that's really saying the opposite to that. Okay.
Raphael, what do you say?
It also could be interpreted as on his face that was showing no good, just bad. I mean,
Oh,
no
that
good
could
was
be.
shown.
Or maybe no emotions.
No emotion.
Well, all right, maybe.
But
well, no authentic. You know, he wasn't having an authentic response, so it was clear something was going on.
But then he says at night he started crying. He realized what he did.
Yeah, after dark is when he finally. Okay, thank you. It's just a mess, but that's how it goes.
Nobody
Okay.
thinks, but nobody
Some
thinks.
people raise their hands. So Raphael and then Steve.
Sorry.
Raphael, please.
Yeah, I think I agree with the translation. No one knew what had happened, although by looking at my face, you could see that there was nothing good there. In other words, I actually displayed that I knew something, but no one no one knew. So even though my face actually showed something, there was something not good on my face.
Okay, that's closer to the translation.
That's the way it looks to me.
I mean, it is kind of an important thing. Is he having a reaction or not? That's kind of a key to the whole story. You know, how could he have murdered his wife, and how could he have, you know, where was his head at when he was doing this? Is like, this is the one sentence that sort of, you know, tries to say what was going on.
I
So
think he was in a state of shock that it really happened.
But he did it.
Yeah.
He did it, but
yeah, but he was still
I
in
don't
shock
know
that
what
it
happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a state. I think he was in a state of shock, and that's why he's crying. Do you want me to go on? Or you want someone else?
No, that's someone else. Thank you.
Okay.
But Steve, first, Steve.
No, I had a my sense of this, just given what he's struggling with in terms of his own guilt, is that there's something ironic in him saying nothing good was written on my face, meaning nothing that would get me the punishment I deserve, nothing that would help them understand what happened. There's something a little ironic in that statement, I think, that's kind of makes it, you know,
I agree with
maybe
Steve.
maybe more literary than we're looking at this stuff. So anyway.
No, there are lots of levels to this story, but we
Right.
are not doing lit crit, but still, it's
Why
nice.
not?
Yes, we
Why
are.
not?
Why not?
Verwusst nicht.
It's nice to get deeper. It's nice to get deeper into the story, and that's one of the stories that you can do it. So where were we? Yeah, Fagel. That's yours, Fagel.
Der Bologola is reingekommen und hat sich ungeheuben zu Beserin. Was geht man nicht voran? The wagoneer came in and began to get angry because nobody is traveling. Zwei Kalischkalech hat übergekehrt in Mäulereien. He turns up two little glasses up into his mouth, or two shot glasses, bottoms up. Eingespannt ist schon lang, sagt It's already been harnessed up for a long time, he says. Es hilft nicht. It doesn't help. Men muss gehen voran. People have to get traveling. You have to start driving. Das Jiddel hat sich niedergesetzt auf der Kellner, Leben dem Balagola. Ich Obnon, der Koval und der Zeit. The guy gets settled down next to the wagoneer in the driver's seat. In the driver's seat near the wagoneer. I have the place of honor. The smithy is off to the side.
Okay, just a moment, Vinkl, because I want to talk about a Niedergesetz. Why a Niedergesetz and no just Gesetze?
He sits himself down, I think. He sits down on the seat next to the driver. He lowers himself, he lowers himself onto the seat. Is how I was thinking.
Yeah.
Okay. Mefort.
But actually, I'm having trouble visualizing what's the seating arrangement. I think the obnon, it can either mean in front or it can mean the place of honor. So first I thought that the driver was in between them, but no, because they're talking to each other. So you would think they have to be next to each other. So I don't know if there's like obnon, literally it means above, but I think it's the place of honor. So is that like a little bit higher? Or I don't know. I don't know exactly the seating arrangement, if it's clear to somebody else.
What is actually the Obenon?
Obenon. Well, like if you're at the head of the table.
Means close by, right next to him. Zetzach Anidim means come sit by me. I think. I don't know, maybe.
But then it says the koval on der Zeit. So I am next to the driver. Is that what that means? I'm next to the driver and the smithy is to the side of me. Maybe.
It depends how the coach was built, how many places were in the coach. If it was 2 or 3.
It looks like 2 levels.
Yeah, we don't really know.
Okay, men fort. People get moving. We start traveling. Vio, giddy up. Men is showing weit von der Kretschne. We're already a distance from the inn. As ich guck on die Tvuas, was sie wachsen von beide Seiten weg, dacht sich mir, as sie haben gar kein Harhurum nicht, nur sie schockelen sich so still.
Okay, but stop more often because
if I look at the grains, as ich guck on die Tvuas, or when I look at the grains, was sie wachsen von beide Seiten weg, that are growing on both sides of the road, dacht sich mir, I think to myself, as sie haben gar kein Harhurum nicht, that they have no contemplations, no reflections, no thoughts. We had that word earlier.
He translates it, they don't have a care in the world. He's thinking about this guy that did the crime and he's about to say, does he have remorse or not? And he thinks the grasses don't have to worry about such things like that.
I think Harhurum it's a word for meditation, like visions or.
No.
So they don't have contemplations. They just shuckle back and forth. It's the same word we use for davening is shuckling.
Yeah.
Okay,
they shake back and forth so quietly.
Yes, Refoy.
Yeah, firstly, it's hirhurim, not hirhurim, and it can mean transient thoughts, but I think in this context it means doubts. They don't have any doubts. They just do what they're doing.
Okay, thank you. Die Sonne hat sich angehäuben zu setzen. The sun has begun to set. Bei mir in Herzen drappen die Meise. In my heart, that story is clawing at my heart. Und ich tracht, and I think, hat der Mensch Harute? Does that person have regret?
Yeah.
Eder ich hab noch Zeit gehabt, mir zu geben ein Entfer, before I have time to answer myself. Hat sich zu mir gekehrt. He turns to me und sagt zu mir and says to me, mir ist mir geworden von demult on. I became ugly to myself from then on. Far mir allein. I became ugly to myself. Get nit die Ritzicha. It's not the violence of the murder, nor dos podlost, but it's the vileness.
So just a moment. Mies ear is not really ugly. Mies is mir gewöhnt for damult on that I got sick of myself. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Someone agrees?
Yeah.
Anyone agrees? What is it in the translation, Marie?
I couldn't stand myself after
Yeah,
that.
Right.
I got sick of, I
I
couldn't
agree.
stand myself. Yeah. Okay.
So
Maybe
he
even
did
guilty.
have remorse. That's the
Maybe
point.
even some guilt.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe, after all. We are not sure completely.
Isn't that a Hebrew word, Ritzicha?
Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, Fagel, go on.
A mention zu der Hargenen, to kill a person, as men boret sich mit ihm. If one struggles with him, steht men doch mitten anderen punem al punem. If you stand up to somebody face to face, und jener schluckt sich euch mit sein Ritzon, and the other guy batters you with his strength or his willpower, und wenn dein Koyach wollt gewinn grösser, and if his, und wenn sein Koyach, and if his power is greater, see, then wollt gehat mein Mazel, if he were to have my luck, efsher wollt gor gewinn von Euben, then perhaps he would come out on top.
Does anyone understand what's going on here?
Yeah, he's
Yes.
saying if you're in a fair fight, okay, you both fight the best you can, and somebody loses. But here, he's going to say, but here, this, he did something to someone that didn't even expect what was going to happen. She wasn't able
Okay.
to fight back.
He's
That's
saying he
excellent.
has regrets. He does have regrets, but not that he killed her, but that he killed her in such an underhanded way. She
Yeah,
didn't even-
exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
exactly. Yes, Rafael.
I was going to say the same thing, but
Okay.
but you said it better.
Okay. Okay, so Fagel, go on.
Ober, as einer weist gornisht, but if somebody doesn't know anything and richt sich gornisht and doesn't expect anything, gain on im zu lecheren die Kishs auf a chitra weg, and you go and you poke a hole in their guts in a sneaky, crafty, underhanded way. Dos is mias. This is disgusting or ugly, or this makes you sick. It makes me sick. Und keinmal wirst du sich von dem nicht abwaschen. And never will you be able to wash it away. Never will you wash it away. In no way will you wash it away.
Yeah.
Ai, Sarik, stell dich allein und zog ois. Now this I'm not sure, but it means I go back immediately and say it out loud. Stell sich allein. Stand up and say it immediately out loud.
Let it out is what the translation.
But he said earlier, oif der stell, or stell meant immediately.
Oisbogen is to admit. Admit.
Yeah, admit it. But it's the stell, stell. I wasn't sure. Does it mean stand up or does it mean anyway?
Present.
I'd like help with that sentence. I Sarik stell dich allein.
I'm not sure.
It says pull. So let it out. Pull yourself together, open wide, get it off your chest right away. But somehow I just didn't have what's the word, fortitude.
Okay. Und zog ois und warf das Rob von der Lung. So throw it off your chest or off your lung. Hobech nit gehat der Courage dazu. I did not have the courage to do that.
Okay, thank you.
But the word sarik means like go back in time. Is that what it means? Like it should, is that like repent? Like go return? Sarik. Sarik.
If I had the opportunity to go back?
To go back, maybe. Rafael?
I think that I zurück together mean on the other hand.
Oh.
thinking back.
Mhm.
But that makes the rest of the sentence a little bit complicated for me. Um, Stand up on yourself and speak out and throw it off your chest. Um, so maybe he's saying, I can never clean myself. Uh, uh, um, but it's like Lady Macbeth, right? But on the other hand, if I were to get up and throw it off my chest, well, I just don't have the way to do that.
Okay. Okay. Marsha?
Foyle said it the way I've heard it, to gate Zurich, nicht Zurich. Is that a correct pronunciation, Zurich?
Zurich.
Yep. Yes.
It's another dialect.
Yeah, we are. One day we will do the dialects. I don't really want to do it, but one day we will do it.
You can do it. You can do it on the day that I'm not here. I'm confused enough as it is.
Okay, you Blitzy, honor you.
Okay, so
Minna, if you do it, I guarantee that won't end it. It'll still keep popping up.
it keep, yeah, forever and ever. It will
Forever and ever.
Okay, Vinkl, finish the story for us.
Und das gekommen mein eigener Bruder, and so my own brother comes, was hat mich Chodesh gewähnt, Chodesh gewähnt, who suspected me, als ich hab geworfen ein Auge auf sein Weib, because I'd been casting an eye on his wife, und hat gor moira gehabt vor mir, and I was so scared of him.
No.
Oh, the opposite.
He was scared.
Oh, he
of
was so
me.
scared of me, und hat mich gemessert.
Mossad.
He stabbed me in the back.
Yep.
Is to
inform.
Tell the authorities on me.
Okay.
To inform the authorities, yeah.
To betray.
Right.
To betray, yeah. Maybe he was afraid that he will also poison him because he liked his wife.
Mm-hmm. Good point. As men hat sie gepolmest, as they autopsied her, is schon gewesen avec etliche chadoshim. It had been some months since, because they autopsied her. Aber men hat noch gekonnt derkennen mich hat men bald.
There is a point. Aber hat noch gekannt erkennen.
Aber men hat noch.
You see, there is the end of a sentence. But they could still tell. They could still tell. They
recognize it.
Oh,
they could still recognize the poison.
Mich hat men bald genommen in Türme herein und es hat sich angehäuben Dielo. So they threw me in prison and they started a lawsuit. Der Sledavatel, the magistrate, sag ich euch, I say also, is gewesen jemach schmoinig, a scoundrel, as hat angehäuben zu fragen, as he had started to ask, frag noch? I'm not sure what that idiom is.
He continued, he asked and he asked and he asked questions.
Oh, okay. As wollt nicht gewähnt as chochem, if he was not very smart, wollt ich mich bald moire gewähnt und as on an Eck. If he was not very smart, I would be scared of him.
No.
I would have confessed.
It wasn't such smart as you say. If it wasn't such a clever person or something.
A wise guy.
This is really
a wise guy. Exactly.
This is an important one right here. If he hadn't thought he was so clever, I would have confessed
immediately
on the spot. Yeah, but he couldn't. He couldn't stand a guy.
Yeah.
As is Ober zu klug, as he was way too clever, fordere ich ihm noch mehr und will nicht Arois sagen dem MS. But Because he was such a smarty pants, I wanted to twist the truth and not tell him the truth. Hoch brot mich. At least I made at least azoi bin ich.
No. Hoch brought mich. Like, go and I don't know, burn me.
Burn
I
me.
think they were grilling him in questions.
Says not if they put my feet to the fire. I wouldn't.
Yeah, something
never.
like this.
Yeah.
Ich abgesessen über ein Jahr. Ich bin ich abgesessen. So this went on for a year.
Yeah.
Danach hat man mich gesäudigt. It made me a big deal.
Finally they sentenced me.
They sentenced to gesäudigt is to sentence.
Okay. Finally they sentenced me in Kuznia. I went
Okrужный Sud. Okrужny is a place, I think.
Yeah, penal colony.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, all right. So they sent me to penal colony?
No. In the sentencing court.
Oh, the district court.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where they sentence in the court.
I thought maybe is that a military company? Could that be a military? Like it was he was sentenced to a military company. I thought it meant.
No. It wasn't in the military. No. It was a sentencing.
Prisoners as their penal colony, they had to be in the.
Yeah, but that's a different word that comes in another next sentence. But here it's the district court. He's talking about where they
translation says, but in the dictionary, is that what people got for Rota?
Yeah, but it's no, there is no connection to the military.
Okay.
Nothing.
But literally, what does Rota mean? Arrestanska Rota. Those two. Like I was.
Okay, let's talk about when she finishes it. Okay.
Is given viel Menschen wie oif a chasana. So there was as many people as at a wedding?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was a sensation.
Yeah. Mir hat sich gezoppt. They
das Blut.
Hat me das Blut. They called something the blood.
They're sucking my blood.
Oh, okay.
They made my blood go cold.
Oh. War soidet hat men mich auf 6 Jahr arrestanske. So
that's the penal colony.
They sentenced him to 6 years in a penal colony.
Yeah.
Yes.
3 Jahre bin ich abgesessen. 3 years was I locked up there.
Yeah.
A manifest hat mich noch Arois gelassen. A manifesto, they
let me out on a general pardon.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, it's hard to figure this out.
Change of administrations.
Well,
Gola Goyim Zenen dort gesessen. Many non-Jews were locked up there?
Yeah, it was just Goyim.
Yeah.
Dennoch seien zugekommen 2 Jiden. But then 2 Jews came along. Gefallen seien sie mir nicht. I didn't like them, aber das Loschen is Hamish. But, I like to hear them speak Yiddish. The language was Hamish. Auf jener Welt wie Svet sein. In the world to come, it may be. Weiß keiner nicht. Nobody knows. As Gott
judges.
Mishpet oiben.
God above wollt scheuen do auf der Welt euch gemusen sein anderes. That God may cause it to have been otherwise?
No. If God is judging above, so on this world, things would have been different.
If God's really in charge up there, shouldn't this life be a lot different?
Yeah. So we can only speak of this sentence for a week, I think.
Yeah.
Ich mein nicht danach, als man hat sich schon gegen ihm versündigt. I think that as men sinned against him, noch earlier, sooner or later, men tut das. Sooner or later, men sin against God.
This one's really complicated too. He says, I
Yes.
don't mean after you sin against him. I mean before, when you haven't done it yet. Better to be an ox than a person.
Yeah, if if you only have the thought of doing it.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, but just to interject here on a philosophical level, if you have the thought of doing it, God knows that you had the thought of doing it. Why does that?
Why is he not stopping?
Yeah, so he said you might as well be an ox and have a less complicated life.
Right. Hat aufgehört zu reden. He stopped speaking und is versunken in Schweigen. And he sank into silence. Der Wagen ist gefahren weiter. The wagon proceeded on.
Okay, and that's the end of the story.
Wow.
We can talk
What a
about
story. What a story.
Yeah,
we
thanks,
can talk
Giffel.
about
That was
the
wonderful.
story and the meaning of it for a long, long time. So, but I see Fagel raise their hand. Fagel?
It was back towards the beginning of that paragraph, which says the guy that the prosecutor was Yimach Shimonik. I think you translated that simply as scoundrel, but literally his name should be erased.
Yeah.
Like that's from Lashon Kodesh.
Yeah.
Yimach Shimonik.
Yeah.
How do you say that when you say that? You say, I forget the person who we want to.
It's Haman. It's
What?
always
Haman.
Oh, Haman. Oh no. Okay, Haman. Okay, I thought there's somebody
or
else.
Hitler. These people say it about Hitler.
Yeah.
You can
His
say
name
it about
should be erased.
say it about any horrible person.
Okay, Rochelle?
You're muted. You're muted, Beverly. You're muted.
I thought
yeah, when they do an autopsy, first of all, it says they buried her that night, and then it says they do an autopsy.
Yeah, that's another thing that
that was weird. They do
They
the
done the autopsy the same day. They did the autopsy before they buried her.
But that's not what. That's not how he tells the story. That
No, they exhumed her.
Oh, they exhumed her. Okay.
They exhumed her. But the thing is, what did they know? The science of autopsy, changed a lot since then. So that's a very interesting thing.
Yeah, but remember the brother informed.
Steve, would you like to write to write something about this story?
No, but that kind of didn't make sense. It didn't flow for me that they autopsied her after they exhumed her, and we're letting blood as a cure here, and
then doing an autopsy.
Yeah.
That was strange for me as well. I thought about it. I don't know, but
Okay.
Well, autopsies, I mean, they're not new things.
Yeah.
I mean, the science keeps changing, but people have always looked for, the reasons of dying. In fact, I think that should be required in all obituaries. I want to know how everybody dies. I can protect myself. But I think this is somehow more metaphorical in a way, because this is about guilt. This is about wanting something and hating yourself for wanting it. And it's really it's a very powerful thing that happens here. He both wants to escape his destiny and welcome his destiny at the same time. So there's a lot of depth in this story, I think. I think I wrote to Giddel was talking about him being an unreliable narrator, but I think he's much more like Raskolnikov in Crime and Punishment. Who really, wants to be caught, wants to be punished, and yet at the same time he doesn't.
But he did go to prison, so they knew he killed her.
This
right?
guy.
Is that right?
This
Yes.
guy.
Yeah,
Well,
but the whole story is about how does he feel about all of that?
Right.
Yeah. Does he have regret? Does he regret what he's
Yeah,
doing?
because we still don't know where the poison came from.
Yeah.
And
Well,
well,
there's a
in a
little,
smithy,
yeah,
I'm sure
right.
there's
But
tons of
there's a
poison there.
little piece there that he could have just as easily ingested the poison as taken the tobacco because they were in the same pocket. That I think is a very
Yeah.
interesting little,
Yeah, I
you
think that's
know,
absolutely that falls right into the whole idea of,
yeah.
he wanted somebody to stop him. He couldn't stop himself.
but how
You
did he
know,
get out of prison then?
He was
he got
pardoned.
pardoned. 3 years, 3 years for killing a spouse is not bad.
Is yeah.
He really
Yeah.
though, didn't he get
Nothing.
6?
Yeah.
Okay, Barbara.
No, I wasn't following because my internet keeps on going in and out. But did anybody remark? We have to remember that the brother informed on him. I
Yes.
mean, the woman was buried,
Ah.
and probably things were going to be just, let
Oh,
go.
good point. Yeah.
But the brother
The brother
informed, and that's
reopened
why there
it.
was the autopsy. I mean, that's why she was exhumed, and there was
That
the
makes sense.
autopsy.
Yeah.
So I just
I
wanted to
think the brother was afraid of him. He
Yeah.
was afraid that he
Because
will
he
get
liked the wife.
wind up.
yeah, because he liked the wife. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Oh, I didn't get in the story that the brother informed on him, but
Yeah.
yes.
I didn't realize that. It's a very good story.
Very good.
It's a very complicated story on many levels.
Yeah.
And I
Who is?
promise
Can you
that
tell me the
next
name of the writer again, please? I don't.
Berdichevsky, Michal Yosef Berdichevsky.
Wow.
It was fun to read. Thank you.
We studied him at school in Israel, but he's Hebrew. He
Oh.
wrote very few works in Yiddish. Most of his works are in Hebrew.
Oh.
And in school, it's in the curriculum. You have to read him. So that's how I know him. That's how I heard about
And
him.
he wrote the story where the man goes in the army and he comes
Yes.
back and the coach and can't remember his Jewish, which was also a very about people's thoughts about their lives and very interior thinking about
Interior monologues.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Vinkl?
Yeah, I had two things to say. One is that, I went to a synagogue last week, and in the Reform Siddur, there's a prayer by this author, Berdichevsky, in English. I couldn't find it. I was trying to see if I could find it in Hebrew or Yiddish, but there's a poem, and it actually is connected to this idea that the crops don't pray, or the crops don't have a care in the world, because the prayer in the Reformed prayer book says that not human beings alone pray. Everybody prays, including the sun and the wind, and nature prays. I was really surprised. I'd never seen, I wish they had it in the original language. And then the other thing about the poison, it occurred to me when I was reading this that maybe the poison that he used was the medicine for the boil on her foot that he had gone to the pharmacy or the felcher to get. But
because who knows?
He did say, like, he's a human being, he's a decent person. And at first he wanted to help cure the boil on her foot. So I thought maybe that was the poison, and he put because he had access to her medicine, but I don't know that. But
we won't know.
Say you studied him, Berdichevsky or Ben Gurion. He goes by that name also. So I looked at the Yiddish Book Center to see if I could find any.
You can find I took this from the book center, so you can find it.
But his prayers, I was wondering, like his Hebrew work, can we find that anywhere? Or the
Hebrew word, you won't find it in the book center because they're just, only Yiddish books there, so you won't have it. Yes, Mari?
I want to say in that sentence where he's saying he doesn't know where he got the poison, it's like he's trying to tell you he was in a fog that whole day, that whole process of moving up to deciding to do this. It's like his animal self was coming out and he wasn't thinking, logically. I think that's what he means. Why I don't even remember how the poison came into it. I was moving in a fog, not thinking clearly.
Okay, so next week I promise there will be something completely different, Also about,
Not going to be about killing husbands, though, right? We're not going to get into that at all.
Also, relationship
Late.
between a man and wife, but it's different, completely
Okay.
different, you know, and easier, a lot easier. So that will be next week. So,
Adank.
sei mir alle
Thank you
gesehen.
so
Gesund.
much.
Sei mir alle
Dank,
gesehen.
Minna.
Thank
En
you.
met z'n zeeën nog een woord. Bye.
Bye.